Hello my viewers, I'm Shivya. I hope you all are well and good, and this video is going to be for both who loves to read more and who loves to travel also. And in this book I'm going to recommend 3 books that makes you travel the whole world. Firstly, I'm speaking about one of my favorite books, that is The Shooting Star by one of my favorite author as well as a prominent bold solo traveler also, Shivya. If you are a beginner in travel world and you have some knowledge about Indian author and Indian traveler, then you will definitely know her, who was quite her job, corporate job, due to her 23 years of age. And I think this book had encouraged me a lot to do travel by myself, and it's a perfect book for those who wants to explore the world solo, because author was also a solo traveler. She had experienced a lots of things, and she had nicely explained in this book about how she had attached with different cultural aspects in everywhere. So in this book she had written very nicely, and some pros and cons about solo travel. She had also given some lessons for those traveler who wants to do explore solo the world and to see the world from a different angle, obviously. And I think her narrating skill is very amazing, because when I read that book, I felt I was in there. I could visualize every situation by her words. So those who wants to explore the whole world by any book or in a room, they could pick this book easily. I think every chapter of it will help you to come out from your comfort zone, obviously, and definitely you will get some idea about travel and about all over the world from a traveling angle, obviously. I first read this book 2 years ago, and I purchased this book from Amazon, and it's also available now. Flipkart and Amazon also, you could purchase from there, obviously. Then my second recommendation is Colorful Notions by Mohit, which is full of fun, adventurous, and this is all about a long road trip of 2 young men and 1 young lady, and they have covered lots of popular tourist destinations in all over the India, like Puri, Shimla, Haridwar, Jimkarvet Park, etc. Sundarban also, and you will get some idea if you are a beginner and those boys and girls who are very excited to do travel. This is a book for them, because you will get some idea from here. Those three had faced some dangerous situation due to their journey. They have given us lesson at the end of every chapter. If anyone will face like them, those travel, how they will can handle those situation, how will cope up with that situation. They have given a lots of ideas at the end of every chapter, and this book is very handy. You will carry anywhere, I think, and I have recently ended this book, and this book is one kind of favorite book also of me. And I think this book is quite romantic also, because two of them were couple and one was single. About one who was single, he had a quite emotional story. This is a quite spicy book, obviously, as well as emotional also. So those who are very excited to read something different, this is a perfect for you, I think. And I have purchased this book from Flipkart, and this is also available Amazon and Flipkart also. And price is quite low, 135 around. I have bought this book, and I think now this price is quite around same. Then my third recommendation, which is also a crazy book, that is The Travel Gods Must Be Crazy by Sudha Mahalingum. And this book is for those who are wants to explore the world solo also, because author was experienced lots of places solo, and she was very particular about her job as well as traveling also. She had completed this book after her retirement from her job, and this book is about very international trip of author, and many interesting facts are there and fun activities are there author have faced due to their hard travel journey. This book will definitely help you to encourage you to do travel by yourself at any age you are belong, because author was 66 when she had done her skydive in that age. Just imagine guys, that older lady had complete her skydive at that age. So it can, I think, motivate all of you who are getting fear from those activities and who don't want to come out from their comfort zone. If you want to see your life from a different angle, this book is a perfect solution for you guys. So these all are my 3 recommendations of my travel books. This video is quite informative guys. I think I have to share my experience about 3 books which are my favorite also. And thank you guys for watching till now. If you are like this video, let me know in the comment section and stay tuned for more.